Okay, we are starting with chapter 1. So the first thing which I'm going to do is before you start, so it's like a prior knowledge which at some point you will need. So I'm going to do those questions. It's on page number 3 of your textbook. And question number 1 is you need to find the value of x. So here, first thing you need to do is you open the bracket 3x minus 15. And when you have negative outside, when you multiply 3 by 15 and 5 and then negative and positive will give you negative. And then 20 minus 3x. So x minus 3x is like term. So this is negative 2x minus 15 is equal to 20 minus 3x. Now you collect the like terms on one side. So I'm going to move x terms on the left hand side and 20 plus 15. So this is 35 and this is x. So x is equal to 35. Now the second one is simplify this surd. And now what is simplification of this means? We do not want any surd or radical in the denominator, which means you have to rationalize it. Now when you rationalize this, what you need to do is you change the sign of the radical. So the first thing which I will do is I will put this in a bracket, and now we are ready to rationalize it. So 1 plus square root of 2 and then 1 plus square root of 2. So in the denominator, this is a minus b and a plus b, which gives you a square minus b square. And in the numerator, you will get square root of 2, 1 plus square root of 2. And now a square will become 1 minus 2. So you get square root of 2, 1 plus square root of 2, and then divide by negative 1. And when you open this, this is square root of 2 plus 2 divided by negative 1. And if I take this negative up, this is going to be negative 2 and negative square root of 2. So that is your question number 2. And now question number 3, simplify. Again, you are simplifying this. To do that, what you need to first step you should do is you use, whenever there is more than one term, you should use brackets here. So I will put bracket here, and bracket here. Now we need to make the denominator exactly the same. So if we want the same denominator, we need to see this one, we need to multiply this by x minus 1 and x plus 1. And for this one, I need to multiply this by x and then x minus 1. And this one, I need to multiply by x and x plus 1. So here I am multiplying this by x minus 1 and x plus 1, which means I also need to write down x minus 1 and x plus 1 in the numerator for x plus 3. Here I multiplied by x and x minus 1. In this case, we already had x minus 1, so this will be x into x plus 1. So here we got x times x minus 1 and x plus 1. I'm going to do a minus b, a plus b, x square minus 1. Here also this becomes x square minus 1. This is x plus 3. This is 2. X into x minus 1 over x into x square minus 1 minus 3x square x plus 1 and then x into x square minus 1. So this one is exactly the so this one is exactly the same, and I think there is a mistake in the textbook, but I'm going to treat it with equal to, and let's see where it will take us. So this is 2x, x minus 1 minus 3x square, x plus 1 and x into x square minus 1. Here you will get x square minus 1, x plus 3, x into x square minus 1. This will get cancelled. So here when we multiply, this gives me x cubed plus 3x square minus x minus 3. So this is x cubed, this is 3x square minus x minus 3, and this one becomes 2x square minus 2x minus 3x cubed and minus 3x square. Now you collect the like terms or just move everything on one side, whatever works best for you. I can collect this first. So this is minus 3x cubed. This is minus x square minus 2x. So this gives me x cubed plus 3x square minus x minus 3. Plus 3x cubed plus x squared plus 2x is equal to 0. So this gives me 4x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then At this point, I think the question asked for the simplification, whereas because of the equal to sign in the question, this question is not the simplified question. So here you have to solve it for x. So I'm just going to leave this like this, because you either you need to use calculator for this one, or there are other ways of solving the cubic function, which I'm not going to do at this point. So make sure that you do skill checks, question number 1 to 3 on page number 3.